Hi, my name is Matthew Peterson, and I'll be talking about a news article on ABC News about non-residential construction industry adding adding a lot of jobs in the industry. In May, 11,300 jobs have been added to the non-residential construction industry. The construction industry added jobs in May according to the Associated Builders and Contractors Analysis data released by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, with growth in all three subcategories, which are non-residential specialty, heavy and civil engineering, non-residential building. The people that are affected are the construction in the construction industry are the workers that were in the construction industry of residential. They lost their jobs due to high interest rates, I assume, and new homes not getting built. The market may be kind of slow on building new homes, so a lot of the residential construction workers lost their jobs. But the shift went to the non-residential construction industry, which has a boom. They hired 11,300 people in May. And those are the people that were affected. And also, what shows what's going on is that the unemployment rate still dropped to 3.5 in the construction industry. It dropped to 3.5, and it is currently at 4.2 across all other industries. At 4.2 remained unchanged. The only one the unemployment rate that has dropped is in the construction industry to 3.5. So it shows that even though it's slowed down in the residential construction industry and a lot of people lost their jobs, they just shifted over to non-residential and uh, continue working, and they still need more people. So the unemployment rate went down. They're actually hiring. They're getting more. They need more people. There's a shift in labor demand. There's a higher demand for the labor. They will pay a higher wage, and they need a more quantity of labor. The people that are included are the non-residential construction segment has now added jobs at over twice the pace of the broader economy during the past 12 months, said ABC chief economist. What happened to the labor demand was the the connection that happened there was between the softness in the residential construction segment has aided by the loss of over 7,000 jobs in May, freeing up workers for the non-residential contractors. Even so, the industry-wide unemployment rate fell to an exceptionally low 3.5, indicating that labor supply remains tight in the shift. So, the high interest rates in the new residential construction, the high interest rates in new residential construction caused this shift to non-residential because they're not building right now new homes, but non-residential they're doing a lot of stuff, and you can see the elasticity in the unemployment rate. So they need skilled labor for sure. And so right now is the time to negotiate. They will try to pay less, but will pay more. And it's time to pick up this trade, go to school. You are needed, and you could for sure get a job in the construction industry. There's a boom, and there's an upward shift in wages and labor quantity, causing more labor demand, and there's more labor supply as well. So this is my graph of labor market for construction and non-residential construction worker. For labor market for the non-residential construction worker, you can see that the green is wage one and labor quantity of labor one, and you can see the shift to wage two and quantity of labor two. They both result in labor demand. So you see labor demand one at, on the lower part of the slope, and labor demand two on the higher part of the slope. So it's an upward shift on the slope of labor supply. So right now it's the time to negotiate your wage. A lot of work. Get into the industry, you will find work and or move around. And supply and demand is high. So that's my take on the ABC News article. Labor market for non-residential construction workers shift boom in the market.